I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove movie rentals from Plex search results on Roku. By default, whenever you search Plex, you'll see a variety of results tagged as being available to rent on Plex. However, if you're a Plex user who only cares about seeing content from either your Plex Media Server or your friend's Plex Media Servers, being presented with movie rentals on Plex may be more of an annoyance than anything. Thankfully, removing movie rentals from Plex search results is easy. Step 1. Open the Plex app on your Roku device. You'll land on your Plex home screen. Step 2. Use the Roku remote to move your selector over to expand the menu on the left side of the screen and then click Search in this menu. The Plex search screen opens. Step 3. Highlight and then click the Settings icon at the top of the screen next to the search bar. The search settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down this menu until you see Available to Rent on Plex and then click to remove the checkmark next to that option. Going forward, you'll no longer see items called out as available to rent in your Plex search results. This change will be applied everywhere you access Plex. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.